Hi there. Let's take a quick walkthrough of the Avichat platform. I want to show you how we make life easier for your members, and then I'll show you the data we capture for your leadership team. Now, this will be using our web application, but Avichat is also available as a native mobile app on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. When you open the app, the first thing that you hit is our first disclaimer, which is our first liability layer. So every user must acknowledge his disclaimer before entering. This is our first of several safety nets that we put in place to protect all of our clients from any liability. For this walkthrough, we've implemented a fake contract that was modeled after a few real-life examples. It's dense, it's complicated, and it's full of conflicting rules. Let's watch how Avichat handles it. I'll ask it a standard question about vacation, but I'm going to specify that I'm a warehouse operative. This is critical for the test. It instantly recognizes that warehouse operative is a job in the North region. It ignores the South region rules entirely. It finds the information for the North and comes up with the correct answer. We never ask members to just trust the system. So every answer includes a direct citation. So clicking it opens the source text, ensuring total transparency. Okay, and let's try a harder one. I'm asking about overtime, but I've thrown in a specific date, December 15th. So most AIs would have failed here, but Avichat caught that there was a letter of agreement that overrides the main contract for those specific dates. It knows it gets double time on those days. Okay, I'm going to show you the real magic here. Industry jargon. I'm going to switch over to our aviation model to show you how we can handle complex math and acronyms. So I'm going to ask it a pretty specific question here. To the layman, it will be gibberish, but to a pilot, it will be a critical legal question regarding fatigue limits. So look at this answer. It recognized FDP as flight duty period. It also knew that RP meant relief pilot. It even did some of the time zone conversion for Vancouver. And it did the math, and it got the right answer. Okay, let's switch gears. This part is for you. This is the command center, where we turn all of those member questions into actionable strategy. This is your clause friction heat map. You can see here that shift swap is glowing red. So let's click on it and see what's going on. In here, you see that you can toggle between the question breakdown and the cohort analysis. If we go into that, we can see exactly who is struggling with this. And looking at the breakdown, it's not your senior membership asking all these questions. It's almost entirely made up of the members on probation. Over here is the gap analysis. This tracks what numbers are searching for that isn't in the contract. So if a union sees things that are high interest, could give them a clear roadmap for what to fight for in the next round of negotiations. And this is the smoke detector. It's a real-time confusion monitoring dashboard. For example, if a new schedule drops and 500 numbers suddenly start asking the same question, it will alert you and let you know that there is a mass confusion event. And of course, you aren't just limited at looking at these few options that we're presenting here. You can build custom reports to compare any type of cohorts that you want. Then with just one click, you can export the full report to PDF and bring it straight into next executive board meeting. Finally, let's talk about safety. We built Avichat with a defense-first mindset. Everything is encrypted, and we carry comprehensive liability insurance. But most importantly, this is a closed system. Your data is isolated in a private instance and is never used to train any AI models. Whether you need Canadian or US data sovereignty, your information remains fully compliant and secure. It's 24/7 support for your members and strategic intelligence for you. Contact us today at avichat.ca to modernize your union.